Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have to go to the custom volume keys. You can set it to either shutter or zoom. So let's set it to zoom and try it out. As you can see right now, by using volume keys I can zoom in or zoom out. Nice one, yeah? And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.